Natural light has the power to completely transform the look, feel, and comfort of your home. For Rockford homeowners, where winters can be long and daylight can feel limited, maximizing natural light is especially valuable. One of the most effective ways to brighten your home and create a more inviting atmosphere is by installing modern patio doors. With their wide glass panels and sleek frames, today's patio doors act as both a functional entryway and a powerful design feature that floods your living spaces with sunlight. If you're considering upgrading your home, here's how patio doors enhance natural light in Rockford living spaces, and why they've become a top choice among local homeowners. Large glass panels that allow maximum sunlight in patio doors are designed with expansive glass surfaces that capture far more light than a traditional door or standard window. Whether you choose sliding or French patio doors, the wide panes allow sunlight to filter deep into your home throughout the day. This helps brighten dim or shaded rooms, reduce reliance on artificial lighting, create a more open, airy feel, improve mood and overall comfort. In a city like Rockford, where natural light is especially welcome during colder months, this upgrade brings a refreshing boost of brightness and warmth to everyday living. Creating a seamless visual connection to the outdoors. One of the great benefits of patio doors is how they visually extend your indoor space. Their full-height glass design creates a continuous view from inside your home to your backyard, patio, or garden. Even when you're indoors, the view helps your space feel larger, more open, and more connected to nature. For Rockford homes surrounded by beautiful trees, landscaped yards, or peaceful outdoor scenery, patio doors offer a stunning window-like effect that enhances both interior ambiance and outdoor visibility. Enhancing home aesthetics with brighter, clearer spaces. Natural light enhances the colors, textures, and shapes of your interior decor. Rooms instantly appear more vibrant and inviting. Whether your style leans modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, patio doors elevate the look of your home by increasing clarity and brightness. Homeowners often notice a more spacious appearance, better lighting for kitchens, dining areas, and living rooms, improved visibility throughout the home, a warm, welcoming atmosphere for guests. This makes patio doors especially popular in shared family spaces and areas used for entertaining. Year-round comfort with energy-efficient glass options. While natural light is wonderful, Rockford homeowners also want to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, especially during hot summers and cold winters. Fortunately, modern patio doors use advanced glass technologies that allow sunlight in while keeping heat and UV rays out. Energy-efficient features include low emissivity coatings that block heat transfer, double or triple pane glass for improved insulation, gas-filled panes, argon or krypton, to reduce temperature loss, weather-resistant framing materials. These upgrades help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round, letting you enjoy abundant sunlight without overheating in summer or losing warmth in winter. Reducing shadows and brightening multiple rooms at once. Because patio doors are typically larger than windows, they distribute light across a wider area. This helps eliminate dark corners and shadows, especially in open-concept homes. Entire sections of your living space become brighter, making your home feel more unified and cohesive. For homeowners with kitchens or living rooms located at the rear of the home, patio doors often serve as the primary source of daylight, dramatically enhancing the overall brightness of your interior. Increasing home value and desirable features. Natural light is one of the top features homebuyers look for. Homes with bright, open living areas feel more modern, more comfortable, and more attractive. Installing patio doors can boost resale value, improve curb appeal, make your home more competitive in the Rockford market. Buyers appreciate the combination of style, functionality, and energy efficiency that patio doors offer. Final thoughts. Patio doors are more than just a stylish upgrade. They are an investment in a brighter, more comfortable home. For Rockford homeowners looking to enhance natural light, improve aesthetics, and create a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, modern patio doors offer a beautiful and practical solution.